I'm 47 and I just replaced my entire video production team with a single AI avatar in under 10 minutes. No joke. I used to spend 2 full days filming, coordinating, and editing just one branded video. Now I pick an avatar from over 100 realistic AI influencers, drop in my script, and hit generate. That's it. The video comes out polished. Lifelike voice, natural gestures, captions, even my logo and brand colors baked right in. I can batch produce multiple videos at once and push them straight to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, one click. The AI handles B-rolls, titling, and split screen layouts automatically. I've published more content in the last 2 weeks than in the past 3 months combined. If you're a creator over 40 who's tired of the production grind, this is the tool you've been waiting for. Go try Digital Influencers by BIGVU right now. The link is below.